Many inventors believe that once they have a great idea, that the money will follow. Unfortunately, most inventors never make it past the drawing board. There's an old expression, if you build a better mousetrap, the world will be the path to your door. And this has led inventors to believe that simply inventing something is enough. And it's not. You need to do something to make it a success. I'm Rich Goldstein, patent attorney for over 30 years. I've helped thousands of inventors to protect their ideas and profit from them. Let's get into how you can do the same. The reality is, without a clear strategy, your invention is just potential energy. It's valuable, but only if you know how to convert that potential into real financial results. Licensing is one of the most common ways that inventors make money. Here's how it works. You grant the company the rights to make and sell your invention, and in return, you collect royalties, often 2 to 10% of wholesale sales, depending on the industry. The benefit is you don't need to build a business yourself. You focus on creating and protecting the invention, and the company handles manufacturing, marketing, and distribution. Another option is selling your invention outright. This means you transfer ownership of your patent or idea in exchange for a lump sum payment. The upside? Fast cash and no ongoing responsibility. The downside? Once it's sold, you give up all future rights and profits. Sometimes that's a smart trade, especially if you don't want to manage the invention long term. Inventions backed by patents can attract investors. Why? Because patents protect your business from copycats. When investors see strong intellectual property, they know that they're funding something that's defensible and unique. That can make the difference between getting a no or getting a yes during a funding round. You could also use your invention as a foundation for your own company. This path gives you the highest potential upside, but also is going to take the most effort. You'll need to handle product development, marketing, operations, and sales, but the advantage is control. With the right strategy and protection, you can carve out a market advantage and charge premium prices. Finally, patents make you attractive to large companies. They often prefer to partner with or acquire businesses that have their own patents. This could lead to licensing agreements, joint ventures, or even a buyout. If your goal is to scale quickly, a strategic partnership can be your best route. Let me give you an example. One inventor patented a child safety product. Instead of trying to build a company from scratch, they licensed the invention to a major manufacturer. That company already had shelf space in big box retailers, so the inventor collected royalties without ever worrying about production or distribution. Now compare that with another inventor who patented an idea but never had a strategy. Years went by and the patent expired without them ever making a dime. The difference? One of them had a strategy and the other did not. So what should you do if you have an invention? Evaluate if it's patentable and commercially viable. Choose your path. License, sell, raise funding, build a business, or partner. Protect your invention with the right patent strategy. And lastly, don't wait, because patents expire, markets change, and opportunities don't last forever. If you're ready to figure out the best way to profit from your invention, I've been helping inventors like you for decades. Book your free patent strategy call, or you can get my book, The ABA Consumer Guide to Obtaining a Patent. And don't forget to subscribe on more plain English insights on patents and invention strategy. Remember, having an invention is only the beginning. The real value comes from how you monetize it.